We're using all the shortcuts to get dinner on the table in super quick time today. These are my rotisserie chicken burritos, ready in 25 minutes. So let's get cooking. First of all, we're going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large frying pan over a medium to high heat. To that, we'll add a small onion that's been diced, plus the shredded meat from a small rotisserie chicken, 2 tablespoons of fajita spice, and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Now stir that together and fry for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring often until that chicken's hot and the onion starts to soften. Now move the chicken to one side of the pan, and in that space we're going to add in a 400 gram or 14-ounce tin of beans in chilli sauce. And we're going to heat that through for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring it often and squishing those beans with the back of a spoon as they heat through. Be sure to stir the chicken a few times too so it doesn't burn. Whilst the chicken and beans are cooking, we're going to heat up a pack of microwave rice in the microwave. Now place a warm tortilla on a large piece of foil. And now we're going to load those burritos up, starting with a good spoonful of that Mexican rice. Next on goes the spicy chicken, followed by a good spoonful of those chili beans. Now choose your favourite toppings. I love to go with some grated cheese, some pickled jalapeños, some finely chopped coriander, some salsa and sour cream. And then on top of that I add a couple of lettuce leaves, and that just keeps everything together when you're rolling it up. Roll the burrito up nice and tight, tucking in the ends as you roll, and wrap the foil, twisting at the ends. Repeat with the rest of the burritos, making them up according to everybody's tastes. And there you go, there's my quick chicken burritos, absolutely packed with flavour. You can get 4 to 6 burritos out of this depending on the size of your tortillas. The kids are absolutely going to love this.